Hey everyone, and welcome to this exciting tutorial on mastering Google Workspace with the power of AI. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by emails, bogged down by documents, or lost in a sea of spreadsheets? We've all been there, but what if I told you there's a smarter, faster way to work? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Google Workspace and uncovering the incredible AI features that are about to transform your productivity game. Get ready to say goodbye to tedious tasks and hello to a more efficient, streamlined workflow. So what exactly is AI and how does it fit into Google Workspace? It's about teaching computers to think like us, to learn from our actions. In Google Workspace, AI anticipates your needs and automates tasks. Imagine a virtual assistant drafting emails, proofreading, or scheduling meetings. It's about empowering you to achieve more in less time. Let's dive into the heart of Google Workspace and start with Gmail, the email platform we all know and love. With billions of emails sent and received every day, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But what if I told you that AI can help you regain control of your inbox and make emailing a breeze? That's where Gmail's AI-powered features come in, designed to streamline your communication and save you precious time. Gone are the days of spending hours crafting the perfect email or struggling to find the right words. Gmail's AI acts like a personal assistant, learning your writing style and offering helpful suggestions as you type. Whether you're composing a quick reply or drafting a detailed message, these AI-powered tools are here to make the process smoother and more efficient. One of the most impressive AI features in Gmail is Smart Compose. Imagine starting to type an email and having the rest of the sentence magically appear before your eyes. That's exactly what Smart Compose does. It analyzes the context of your email and predicts what you're going to say next, offering suggestions to complete your sentences. And the best part? It gets smarter over time, learning from your writing style and preferences. To activate Smart Compose, simply start writing your email as you normally would. As you type, you'll notice grayed out text suggestions appearing ahead of your cursor. These are Smart Compose's predictions. If a suggestion looks good, simply hit the Tab key to accept it and continue typing. If not, just keep typing, and Smart Compose will adapt to your choices. It's like having a co-writer who always knows what you want to say. We've all been there, staring at an email and wondering how to respond concisely and politely. With Smart Reply, Gmail takes the guesswork out of responding to emails, especially those that only require a quick acknowledgement or confirmation. This AI-powered feature analyzes the email you receive and suggests a few short, relevant responses that you can use with just one tap. Let's say you receive an email inviting you to a meeting. Instead of typing out a whole response, Smart Reply might suggest options like, "Sounds good," "See you then," or "I'm sorry, I can't make it." These concise responses save you time and effort, allowing you to fly through your inbox without breaking a sweat. And just like Smart Compose, Smart Reply learns from your choices, becoming more accurate and personalized over time. Next up, we're moving on to Google Docs, the go-to platform for all things writing and collaboration. Whether you're crafting a school essay, a professional report, or even a creative masterpiece, Docs has evolved into an incredibly versatile tool. And now, with the integration of AI, it's becoming even more powerful. Imagine having a virtual writing assistant by your side, offering helpful suggestions, catching those pesky typos, and even helping you overcome writer's block. That's the beauty of AI in Google Docs. It's not about replacing your creativity, but enhancing it, allowing you to focus on what matters most, your ideas. From grammar and spelling corrections to style and tone suggestions, Docs leverages the power of AI to elevate your writing to the next level. No matter your writing skill level, these intelligent features can help you communicate more effectively and produce high-quality documents. Let's start with the basics. Grammar and spelling. Google Docs takes the guesswork out of proofreading with its AI-powered grammar and spelling checker. As you type, the system analyzes your text in real time, flagging potential errors. Docs offers helpful suggestions and explanations. Think of it as having a personal grammar tutor built right into your document. Smart Compose in Docs. Let the words flow. Remember the magic of Smart Compose in Gmail? It's also available in Google Docs, streamlining your writing process, predicting your next words and offering suggestions. A game changer for writer's block or speeding up writing. It adapts to your style, becoming more accurate over time. Google Sheets gets smarter. Unleash the power of data. Now let's turn our attention to Google Sheets, the powerhouse of Google Workspace for all things data. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just starting to explore the world of spreadsheets, Sheets offers an incredibly powerful platform for organizing, analyzing, and visualizing data. And with the integration of AI, it's becoming easier than ever to unlock valuable insights and make data-driven decisions. Gone are the days of manually sifting through rows and columns of data, trying to spot trends and patterns. Sheets' AI-powered features do the heavy lifting for you, automatically identifying insights, generating visualizations, and even cleaning up your data. This allows you to spend less time wrestling with spreadsheets and more time understanding and acting on the information they contain. Explore your AI-powered data analyst. One of the most impressive AI features in Sheets is Explore. Imagine having a personal data analyst at your fingertips, ready to answer your questions and uncover hidden patterns in your data. That's precisely what Explore does. With a simple click, Explore analyzes your spreadsheet data and automatically generates a range of charts, graphs, and insights tailored to the information you've selected. Let's say you're tracking sales data for different products over a period. Simply select the relevant data range, click on the Explore button at the bottom right corner of your spreadsheet, and watch the magic happen. Explore will instantly generate a variety of visualizations, such as line charts showing sales trends over time, pie charts illustrating product sales distribution, and even bar graphs comparing sales performance across different regions. Data cleanup, taming your data with AI. We've all been there, inheriting a spreadsheet with inconsistent data formatting, missing values, or duplicate entries. Cleaning up such messy data can be a tedious and time-consuming task. Fortunately, Google Sheets comes to the rescue with its AI-powered data cleanup tools. These intelligent features can automatically identify and fix common data errors, saving you hours of manual effort. For instance, let's say you have a column of dates entered in different formats, like day/month/year or month-day-year. Sheets can automatically detect these inconsistencies and offer to format them all consistently. Similarly, it can identify and remove duplicate entries, ensuring that your data is accurate and free of redundancies. These data cleanup features may seem small, but they can significantly impact the accuracy and reliability of your analysis. From data to insights, making smarter decisions. The true power of data lies in the insights we can glean from it. Google Sheets helps you tell a story with your data, revealing trends and patterns. With AI integration, turning data into insights becomes intuitive and impactful. Create dynamic dashboards that update in real time, allowing you to monitor key performance indicators and track progress. Present your findings with compelling visualizations, making it easier for your audience to understand and engage. With Google Sheets and AI, data exploration and storytelling are limitless. Google Calendar, your AI-powered time management ally. In today's fast-paced world, effective time management is essential for success. But juggling appointments, deadlines, and personal commitments can often feel like a never-ending battle. That's where Google Calendar comes in, your AI-powered ally in the quest for a more organized and productive life. Gone are the days of double-booking appointments or scrambling to remember important dates. Google Calendar has evolved from a simple digital calendar into a comprehensive time management tool that leverages the power of AI to streamline your schedule, optimize your time, and ensure that you never miss a beat. Whether you're coordinating meetings across multiple time zones, setting reminders for important tasks, or simply trying to find some breathing room in your busy day, Calendar's AI features are here to simplify the process and keep you on track. Smart scheduling, finding the perfect time slots. One of the most time-consuming aspects of scheduling meetings is finding a time that works for everyone involved. Sending out multiple emails, coordinating across different time zones, and dealing with conflicting schedules can quickly turn into a logistical nightmare. Google Calendar's smart scheduling feature takes the hassle out of this process, using AI to analyze everyone's availability and suggest the best meeting times. Imagine creating a meeting invitation, and instead of manually checking everyone's calendars, you simply click on the Find a Time tab. Calendar will automatically analyze the availability of all invitees, taking into account their existing appointments, working hours, and even time zone differences. It then presents you with a list of suggested time slots that work for everyone, highlighting the optimal choices. Reminders that stick never miss an important event. We've all experienced that sinking feeling of realizing we've forgotten an important deadline or appointment. Google Calendar's AI-powered reminders are designed to ensure that those moments become a thing of the past. These aren't your average, easily dismissed reminders. Calendar leverages AI to understand your habits, preferences, and even your location to deliver reminders at the most opportune times. For instance, you can set location-based reminders that will notify you about a task or event when you arrive at a specific location, such as the grocery store or the office. Or you can choose to receive smart reminders that take into account your schedule and availability, ensuring that you're not bombarded with notifications at inconvenient times. AI-powered time management, your key to productivity. The true power of Google Calendar lies in its ability to seamlessly integrate with other Google Workspace apps, creating a unified and AI-powered time management ecosystem. Imagine receiving an email about an upcoming event and being able to add it to your calendar with a single click. Or picture yourself setting a reminder for an important task directly from your inbox. With Google Calendar, you can even share your schedule with colleagues, family, or friends, making it easier to coordinate activities and avoid scheduling conflicts. And thanks to its seamless integration with mobile devices, you can access your schedule, manage appointments, and set reminders from anywhere at any time. We've explored the impressive array of AI-powered features available across Google Workspace, from Gmail's smart replies to Calendar's intelligent scheduling. Now, let's bring it all together and see how these tools translate into real-world productivity wins. Imagine a typical workday, filled with emails, meetings, deadlines, and collaborative projects. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of tasks and information coming at you. But with the power of AI at your fingertips, you can transform this chaotic scenario into a symphony of efficiency. Instead of spending precious time on tedious and repetitive tasks, you can delegate them to Google Workspace's AI-powered assistants, freeing up your mental energy to focus on strategic thinking, creative problem-solving, and meaningful collaboration. Let's start with the bane of many a workday, the dreaded email inbox. Imagine starting your day with hundreds of unread emails, a mix of urgent requests, marketing newsletters, and everything in between. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, you can leverage Gmail's AI features to quickly triage, prioritize, and respond to emails, reclaiming control of your inbox. Smart Compose and Smart Reply become your secret weapons, allowing you to draft and send responses in a fraction of the time it would normally take. Gmail's AI can even help you categorize incoming emails, automatically filtering out spam and prioritizing messages from important contacts. This intelligent filtering ensures that you're not distracted by irrelevant emails and can focus on what truly matters. Collaboration is at the heart of most modern workplaces, but it can also be a source of frustration and inefficiency. Google Workspace's AI-powered features extend beyond individual productivity, transforming the way teams work together. Imagine a team working on a shared document, with everyone contributing ideas, editing text, and providing feedback in real time. Google Docs becomes a virtual brainstorming hub, where AI-powered suggestions help refine language, grammar checks ensure clarity, and Smart Compose streamlines the writing process. Comments and suggestions flow seamlessly, allowing team members to provide feedback and iterate on ideas in a structured and efficient manner. No more endless email chains or version control nightmares, just seamless AI-powered collaboration. Congratulations! You've unlocked the secrets to mastering Google Workspace with AI. From Gmail's smart replies to Docs' grammar suggestions, Sheets' data crunching, and Calendar's scheduling, AI transforms your workflow and boosts productivity. These tools empower you, not replace you. Handle tedious tasks, focus on creativity. Embrace AI and start your productive journey now.